Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, OS up to date and enough storage. Open Settings or the TTS app and select the engine. Make sure it's downloaded. Once done, pick the voice language and quality level so speech sounds natural. Grant required permissions, microphone if you record, storage for files, and accessibility for screen reading. Now set this engine as default so other apps use it. Finally, restart the app to initialize voice models and prepare for immediate testing. Next, you create the spoken content. Paste or type your text and format sentences so the engine can breathe naturally. Shorter lines improve cadence. Use the rate and pitch sliders to match speech speed and tone, and test each tweak with quick previews. If the app supports SSML, insert pauses, emphasis tags, and phonetic spellings to fix tricky pronunciations. Once the draft sounds right, trim or merge segments to maintain flow. Save incremental versions so you can revert if a change makes speech robotic. Finally, produce the output you need. Choose export format like MP3 or WAV for sharing, or enable real-time playback to read articles aloud. Once exported, attach files to messages or set them as notifications. Make sure file permissions allow access. If speech is choppy or missing, check storage, clear cache, and re-download the voice pack. If problems persist, switch to an alternate engine to see whether the issue is app-specific. For connectivity errors, toggle airplane mode.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.